Great Thursday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. Did you know that we officially clock over to the first minutes and hours of the autumn season tonight? This is known as the autumn equinox. This is when the direct rays from the sun move away from the southern hemisphere and actually position themselves right on top of the equator. The northern and southern hemisphere have equal nighttime and daylight hours at the moment, but that is going to change going into the next coming days. The southern hemisphere is going to start to lose those very precious daylight hours, and we edge closer and closer to the winter season. Here's our latest satellite loop across southern Africa. Very quiet at the moment, just a few showers over the northeast, including Limpopo, the Lowveld and escarpment of Mpumalanga, as well as KwaZulu-Natal. Otherwise, the western two-thirds of South Africa, including Johannesburg, Bloemfontein, Port Elizabeth, Cape Town, and George, stay fine and dry overnight. So just to recap, you can see some of our cloud cover on our latest Futurecast map, even that shading of green representing a few hit-or-miss showers between Richards Bay as well as Mpumalanga and Polokwane. Let's go forward into your Friday, the start of the early weekend. We have actually better chances of rain across the northeast, and we extend that probability of rain across the Gauteng province, even parts of the northwest and the extreme eastern half of the Free State. Isolated showers and thunderstorms across that region, but we return the mention of sunshine over the western two-thirds of South Africa. A beautiful day expected along the southern Cape. Here's your chances of rainfall tonight. We have up to a 60% probability where you see the darkest shading of blue. That includes the Lowveld regions as well as the KwaZulu-Natal coast. 40% chance of rain surrounds that, but we've left out any rainfall mentioned in the forecast tonight for Johannesburg. Speaking of the City of Gold, here's your Metro Vision. 15 degrees overnight, mostly clear skies throughout the Gauteng province. By this time tomorrow, however, we do expect a few afternoon thunderstorms to pop up. Daytime highs will reach 25. You should see peaks of sunshine. Now, temperatures overnight milder than what we experienced yesterday. We're actually expecting overnight lows to bottom out near 12 for Bloemfontein, 19 for Durban. Cape Town cools to 16. Port Elizabeth at 14 degrees. Now, daytime highs to start off the early weekend. Of course, we do have a public holiday across South Africa. Very comfortable for the central parts, upper 20s and lower 30s along the west coast. Hot near Vredendal, the mother city at 29, 27 if you're located near Richards Bay. We start to cool down near Cape Town this Saturday. Partly cloudy skies near Pretoria and Johannesburg. Durban expecting a high of 30 degrees. Sunday, we have a chance of showers over the western parts of South Africa with partly cloudy and very comfortable temperatures across the eastern half. That's all from me. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com